Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to work out the direct numbers questions. So this topic is called direct numbers, and it is very common that children get them wrong, especially when they are new to algebra and new to mathematics, because there are different rules apply here, so which we don't generally use in our everyday life. But before we move further, I will highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel and also please press the bell button so whenever I upload any new video about mathematics or any other educational video, straight away you will be notified about that. So please remember to press the subscribe button and also press the icon button for the bell as well. So straight away you will come to know whenever I will upload new video. So this topic is called direct numbers and children get them wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain you a rule which you need to know before we start doing these questions. The rule for this one is, remember this rule, like minus times minus. Whenever you multiply minus sign with minus sign, you get plus. Whenever you multiply plus with plus, you again get plus. Whenever you multiply minus with plus, you get minus. And whenever you multiply plus with minus, we get minus. So these are the rules. So basically, if you look at it carefully, whenever both are same, you see minus minus or plus plus, we get plus. But whenever one of them is different, one is minus, one is plus, so it will be minus. You see, one is plus, one is minus, it will be minus. So if you know this rule, it will be very easy for you to answer these questions. So I will recommend you please make a note of this rule somewhere in your notebook so that you can refer back to it whenever you're doing questions like this. Now I'm going to do question number 1. Can you see 4 times minus 2? Can you see there's no sign with the 4? Whenever there is no sign, there's invisible plus sign. Always remember, whenever there is no sign, there's invisible plus sign. So now we can see which rule applies here. You see plus times minus. You look at this rule which we did in the beginning. So plus times minus, it will be minus. 4 times 2 is 8. So your answer will be minus 8 for the first one. Now the question number 2, 3 is, there is no sign with the 3, it means 3 is positive. So positive plus 3 times plus 8, it will be 8 times 3, 24. It will be plus 24. And remember, we don't write plus in the beginning because it's already understood. So is equal to 24. 24 is the answer. Now in the third question, minus times plus is minus, because if you can refer back to that rule. Minus times plus is minus, and 5 times 7 is 35. Right? Now we are going to do question number 4. Minus times plus is minus. 8 times 4 is 32. Right? Question number 5. Minus times plus is minus. 7 times 3 is 21. Minus times minus is plus. So remember, they both are minus now. So what we'll do, we'll just write plus. We don't write plus because it's understood. So it will be 6 times 3 is 18. So it will be plus 18. So the answer will be plus 18. Now we are going to do question number 7. In question number 7, it's minus times plus is minus. 6 times 7 is 42. Now 11 times 6 is 66. So it will be minus, there is not much space, so I can write at the beginning. So it will be minus 66 answer for question number 8. Now I'm going to do question number 9. Minus times minus is plus, and 12 times 5 is 60. So it will be plus 60. And as you know that we don't write plus because it's already understood. So your answer will be 60. Now question number 10, the answer is 10 times 12. 10 times 12 is 120. And you see 12 is minus and 10 is plus. So plus times minus is minus. So it will be minus 120. So you can always refer back to this rule, which I did here. Now, question number 9. Question number 11. It says 9 times 20, right? So what we do, we times 9 with 20, which is 180. And then minus time plus is minus, right? Now this is different. Can you see the next question? 64 is minus and 8 is plus, but there's a divide sign. So I show you here, it's simple to make it simple, minus 64 divided by positive 8, right? I'm just doing it rough. So what it is, we can cancel them. 8 times 1 is 8 and 8 times 8 is 64. Because there's a minus sign, so your final answer will be minus 8. So what we write here? Minus 8. This will be the answer for this question number 12. Now I'm going to rub that one because we will need this space for working out again. I'm just going to work out here, rub this one. So in future, if I need to do any working out, we can do it here. Now 13 number, 42 divided by 6. We know that whenever we divide 42 by 6, we get 7. The thing is it going to be plus 7 or minus 7? Because one of them is minus, so it has to be minus. So it will be minus 6. If they both are minus, then we can cancel them. For example, what I'm trying to say is, for example, if we imagine if we had 42 minus and minus 6. So we can cancel them. So minus and minus, and we can cancel 6 with 42. It will be 7, right? Now I'm going to do question number 14. Question number 14, can you see minus 54 and minus 9? It means we can cancel minus with minus. And how many times 9's timetable goes on 54? 6 times. So it will be plus 6 here. Then next one is 121 divided by 11. So it means 11 times 11 is 121. Because one of them is minus, so it will be minus 11 answer, right? And then we have got 660 minus 30. So it will be 660 minus 30. We can divide them as well. I'm just going to do the rough work here for you. But before I do, I need to rub out this one. So I will have enough space to work that out there as well. 660 divided by 30. It's very easy to simplify them because sometimes children it is minus 30, get confused how to divide them. 0 and 0 you can cancel. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 2 is 6. So your answer will be 22. So your answer will be 22 here, right? So this is, you can try the next questions, they are very similar and they all, as long as you know the rule, you can easily do it, right? So, and if you still have any question, you can comment in the comment box and you can write those questions and I will try to answer those questions, right? And please remember, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it so you will be notified about the next videos, which whenever I will upload them, because I will be uploading them quite regularly, so you will be notified. So please remember to press the bell button there as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video with a different topic. Thank you. Bye.